What is money? Money is a medium of exchange which facilitates transaction of goods and services. It comes in several shapes and forms, such as commodity money, deriving its value from commodity it is made up of. For example, gold and silver. Fiat money, which are issued as currencies by governments. Example, dollar bill. And finally, bank money, which includes credit transactions in an economy. Money has three important functions. Money acts as a medium of exchange. If not for money, then transactions would take place through barter system. Money has store value, which means you could invest or save your money and can still use it for future transactions without losing its intrinsic value. Money is a unit of value as it has a specific quantitative value to facilitate the transactions. Thanks for watching.